GR number 12. August 8, 1901. Proceedings against Marcelino Aguas for contempt of the Court of First Instance of Pampanga. Facts of the case. During the trial case of Roberto Toledo v Valeriano Balatbat before the Court of the First Instance in Pampanga, the judge cautioned Angel Alberto, a witness in the case, not to look at the attorney for the defendant but to fix his attention on the judge who was at the time examining him. The witness did not give heed of the warning. Thereupon the judge rose from his seat and approached the witness, seized him by the shoulders, and using the expression "lingan ang mucha, look at me," either shook him, as insisted by the attorney of the defendant, or only turned him about, as claimed by the judge and others. Whether the witness was shaken or not, at all events seizing him brought the action and protest against the action of the judge as coercive of the witness, and demanded that a record be made of the occurrence and that the further hearing of the case be postponed. 2 days after the clerk of court entered a record, a recital of the incident and a statement that on other and prior occasion, the attorney, Marcelino Aguas, had been wanting in respect to the court by making use of improper phrases and by interrupting the opposing counsel in the examination of the witness. The lower court adjudged the attorney to be in contempt of court and suspended him from practice of his profession for a period of 20 days. The attorney appealed, but his appeal has been denied by the lower court. He asked to be heard in justification, which was granted. Issue: is Marcelo Aguas, the defendant, disrespectful to the court leading to contempt? Does Marcelo Aguas have the right to protest and right to demand that the incident will be put into record? Decision: the Supreme Court, represented by J. Smith, reversed the decision of the lower court, with cost officio. The action of the judge seizing Angel Alberto by the shoulder and turning him about was unwarranted and an interference with that freedom from unlawful personal violence to which every witness is entitled while giving testimony in a court of justice. The conduct of Marcelo Aguas was against the action. He has the right to protest and to demand that the incident be made a matter of record. Testimonies and findings are mere conclusion and valueless to support a judgment of contempt. The witnesses didn't testify that the act done was menacing, therefore it was insufficient to justify that he was disrespectful to the court or offensive to its dignity.